Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I have a giant bag of happiness right here. This is a Starburst Original Chews, and these are so good. So I don't know about you, but when I see a bag of Starburst, there is no resisting. I just have to have one. So this is the original flavor, which comes with the orange, strawberry, cherry, and lemon flavors. And these are great because they are individually wrapped. So this is great for sharing. And it's also great to just grab a handful of these and throw them into your bag or maybe in your desk at work. And then if you have a sweet craving, you can just grab one of these, unwrap it, and you are all set. So these are definitely a crowd pleaser. My favorite is the lemon flavor. And all of them are super delicious, but it has that really nice bright acidity and sourness to it, which I really like. And they're all super juicy tasting and they're just perfect. So if you're looking for a chewy, sweet, little bit sour, delicious candy to keep around, then definitely I would recommend the Starburst Original, and that's my point of view.